hello to everyone. Welcome back to my channel Vidhi's Ageless Brilliance, which is all about fun, food and fitness. At the very beginning of this video, I'd like to thank all of you who is checking out my channel and liking my videos. But I noticed all of you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Kar do yaar, subscribe kar lo. Today the dish that I'm bringing to the table is stuffed capsicum, stuffed green bell pepper or bharwa shimla mirch. All are same, and when I talk about capsicum, it has always been played a great supporting role in many of the recipes like chili chicken or chili paneer, kadhai chicken or kadhai paneer, and veg fried rice, many more dishes. But today the dish that I am making, in which capsicum is gonna play a lead role, and believe me guys, it's gonna be really tasty and delicious and easy to make. People try different style of stuffing, and here's one of those versions that I make at home. Let's begin the recipe by looking at the ingredient first.
Guys, we'll take onion, green chili, ginger, garlic and tomato paste, all our basic spices that we use in daily cooking. I use sunflower oil, you can take any oil of your choice. We'll be using hing, that is asafoetida, chopped ginger and garlic, dry roasted gram flour, which I roasted dry without oil till it turned slightly golden in color. Roughly grinded peanuts, that is moongfali. I have fried them in little quantity of oil before grinding. Now last but the main ingredient is our capsicum. I have taken huge big capsicum, but in case if you have guests at home, just add few more capsicums smaller in size. Make a cut in the center of capsicum by rotating the knife in a clockwise direction. You can do it in own ways guys. Once the cut is made, empty the inner seeds and skin so it resembles like a ball where you can put your stuffings in. Repeat the same procedure for rest of the capsicums, and now let's prepare the masala. Add jeera and rai, that is cumin seed and mustard seeds, in hot oil along with asafoetida, that is hing, and let them splutter for a while. Friends, I have put everything together in this paste, that is tomato, green chili, onion, ginger, garlic, everything, but you can separate it into two parts. But I did it because it's kind of easy and time saving for me, but taste won't be compromised. Initially it will look bit watery because of tomato, but it will get dry soon while cooking. See, I told you guys. Now you can see the water is completely evaporated and oil starts to separate from the edges. This is the good time to add ginger and garlic because it will give a beautiful raw aroma and taste in the masala. Time to add all the basic spices: turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder, that means haldi, lal mirch powder and dhania powder. This guy is very happy today. Finally, he's playing a lead role as a veggie. Wow, smells so good. My whole house is filled with this aroma. I'm kinda starving now. At this stage, we'll add some extra oil, cover it and let the masala cook for around 4 to 5 minutes until oil starts to separate, as we're gonna add gram flour besan and fried peanuts now. It's a perfect consistency to add our dry ingredients. So let's add gram flour and peanuts now. Mix everything together and mash them tightly with the help of spatula to avoid lumping. Now add salt, pinch of sugar, along with half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, and mix well. Cover the lid and let it cook finally for 2 to 3 minutes, and our stuffing is ready. Fill the stuffing with the help of spoon or whatever way you are comfortable with. Just ensure that you don't fill the capsicum all the way to the top so that stuffing doesn't come out while roasting in the pan. To the same pan, add oil and place capsicums into it. Let them fry till they turn brown and soft. Now sprinkle salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder on top of them. It's important to turn capsicum soft while cooked and have roasted flavor, else you'll get raw taste and your tasty stuffings won't make any sense. Keep flipping. Our stuffed capsicum is ready. Wow, this is looking beautiful, well cooked and definitely a treat for your taste bud. So guys, it's a wrap. Do follow Vidhi_Wanderer on Instagram and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Vidhi's Ageless Brilliance. Keep sharing, keep liking.